Are you struggling to gain weight in a healthy way? Gaining weight can be just as challenging as shedding those extra pounds, and it's not about indulging in unhealthy junk food, but about choosing the right foods that are both delicious and nutrient-rich. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 such foods that can aid in healthy weight gain. So, without further ado, let's delve into the world of nutrient-rich foods that can help you gain weight in a healthy way. First on our list is the mighty avocado. This luscious green fruit is a powerhouse of calories and nutrients that can help you pack on some healthy pounds. One medium-sized avocado contains around 240 calories, making it a high-calorie food option. But it's not just about the calories. Avocados are also rich in monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats that your body needs for energy and proper cell function. In addition to being calorie-dense, avocados are packed with a plethora of nutrients. They're an excellent source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Imagine adding avocados to your meals. Not only will they enhance the flavor with their creamy texture and subtle nutty taste, but they'll also significantly bump up your calorie intake without compromising on nutrition. So remember, adding avocados to your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to gain some healthy weight. Up next, we have whole grain bread. This humble pantry staple is more than meets the eye. Whole grain bread is a fantastic source of carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy. What sets it apart is that it's complex carbs. These take longer to break down in the body, providing a sustained energy release. This is why it's such a great choice for those looking to gain weight healthily. But that's not all. Whole grain bread is incredibly versatile, pairing deliciously with protein sources. Picture this, a slice of whole grain bread toasted to perfection, topped with creamy avocado and a perfectly poached egg. Or how about a hearty sandwich filled with tender grilled chicken or lean roast beef? These combinations not only taste fantastic, but also create a balanced, high-calorie meal that's packed with nutrients. Whole grain bread, a simple yet effective addition to your weight-gaining diet. Third on our list, nut butters. Nut butters, like almond and peanut butter, are a rich source of healthy fats and protein. They're packed with an impressive amount of calories, making them an excellent choice for those aiming to put on some healthy weight. Just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, for instance, can provide around 200 calories. And what's more, nut butters are incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals and snacks. You can spread them on whole grain bread, stir them into oatmeal, or even use them as a dip for your fruits. The possibilities are practically endless. The key here is to choose natural nut butters over the processed ones to avoid unnecessary sugars and oils. So, whether it's almond, cashew, or good old peanut butter, these creamy delights can offer a tasty and nutritious boost to your diet. So, don't shy away from that jar of nut butter the next time you're looking for a healthy weight gain snack. Next up, healthy cereals. Now, when it comes to cereals, not all are created equal. It's essential to choose options that are rich in fiber and boast a good amount of whole grains. These cereals are not just packed with nutrients, but they're also a great source of calories, which is exactly what you need when you're looking to gain weight healthily. Imagine starting your day with a nourishing bowl of fiber-rich cereal, topped with your favorite fruits for an added boost of vitamins. You can also enjoy these cereals with milk or yogurt, depending upon your preference. This not only amplifies the taste, but also adds a good dose of protein and calcium to your meal. So, whether you're a fan of the classic oatmeal or prefer something a bit more adventurous like quinoa or buckwheat cereal, there's a healthy cereal out there for everyone. Remember, healthy cereals can be a great start to your day and a step towards your weight gain journey. Moving on, let's talk about protein bars and shakes. These nutritional powerhouses can be a quick and convenient way to increase your protein and calorie intake. Perfect for those busy days when you need a quick yet nutritious snack, or when you simply want to supplement your meals with a little extra protein. But not all protein bars and shakes are created equal. The trick is to choose those with wholesome, natural ingredients. Beware of bars and shakes loaded with sugars and artificial additives. Instead, look for those packed with high-quality protein sources, such as whey or plant-based proteins, and filled with other nutrient-rich ingredients like nuts, seeds, or fruits. These can provide a balanced blend of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and complex carbs. So whether you're post-workout or just in between meals, reach for a protein bar or shake. Protein bars and shakes, a perfect on-the-go solution for healthy weight gain. Seventh on our list, rice. This humble grain is a powerhouse when it comes to calorie content, making it an excellent choice for those looking to gain weight in a healthy way. In fact, a mere cup of cooked rice can pack a whopping 200 calories. Now that's what you call calorie dense. But rice isn't just about the calories. It's also incredibly versatile. Be it a side dish, main course, or even dessert, rice can easily find its place in any meal. This makes it a breeze to incorporate into your diet, without having to drastically change your eating habits. And let's not forget, rice is easy to prepare. You can boil it, steam it, or even bake it. Pair it with your favorite proteins, vegetables, or spices, and you've got yourself a nutrient-rich meal that'll help you gain weight in a healthy way. Rice, a staple food for weight gain, easy to cook and pair with other nutrient-rich foods. Next up, red meats. An often controversial topic in the health world, red meats certainly have their place when it comes to gaining weight. Why? Well, they're rich in protein, an essential nutrient that helps to build muscle mass. This makes them an ideal choice for those who are looking to gain weight, especially in a healthy, balanced way. But there's more to red meats than just protein. They're also high in fat, which can help to increase your overall calorie intake. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle to consume enough calories to gain weight. Now, it's important to note that not all red meats are created equal. While some cuts can be high in unhealthy fats, leaner cuts can provide the necessary nutrients without the excessive unhealthy fats. So, if you're health conscious, you might want to opt for cuts like sirloin steak or lean ground beef. Red meats, a protein-packed choice for those looking to gain weight. Ninth on our list, salmon and oily fish. These are not just your run-of-the-mill seafood options, they're power-packed sources of high-quality protein and healthy fats. In the world of weight gain, protein is a crucial player. It's the building block of muscles, and it aids in repairing and building new muscle tissues, especially after a rigorous workout. But the benefits don't stop there. Oily fish like mackerel, tuna, and herring are also brimming with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats provide a concentrated source of energy, helping you pack on those necessary calories without resorting to unhealthy junk food. Plus, they're heart-friendly too. Imagine having a delectable salmon steak for dinner or a tuna sandwich for lunch. Not only are you treating your taste buds, but you're also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. So, why not incorporate these delicious and nutritious options into your weight gain diet? Salmon and oily fish, a winning combination for healthy weight gain. And lastly, it's important to remember that gaining weight healthily isn't just about consuming more calories. It's about choosing nutrient-rich foods that provide those calories in a balanced and beneficial way. Today, we've explored 10 fantastic food choices that not only taste great, but also pack a hefty nutritional punch. From the monounsaturated good fats in avocados to the complex carbohydrates in whole grain bread, these foods provide the energy and nutrients your body needs to healthily gain weight. We dipped into the rich, creamy world of nut butters, packed with protein and healthy fats. We savored the fiber-rich benefits of healthy cereals and the convenience and protein power of bars and shakes. We indulged in the starchy goodness of rice and the iron and protein-rich red meats. And let's not forget the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon and oily fish, which not only help you gain weight but also contribute to overall heart health. Each of these foods is a powerhouse in its own right, but together, they offer a varied and balanced diet that can help you achieve your weight gain goals. And there you have it, folks. 10 great food choices to help you gain weight in a healthy and delicious way. Remember, every body is different, so find what works best for you and enjoy the journey to your healthiest self.